Hi guys and welcome back to another video. Today we take close look at the mag drill from Vevor. I bought it because I get one job for it and the price on the job was pretty good, so I know if it lasts for this job it will pay itself. I didn't want to buy any of those that were made in our country, so I bought this for 265 or something like that euros. So it was really inexpensive because the cheapest in my country is about 650 euros, which is big difference because for this price I get the 11-piece set. In this pack was a few drills, classic drill head, and some strap and Allen key and something like that. Also, one important thing, there was a tank with tube and valve for coolant. That was really awesome because with the coolant it's much nicer for a drill and it will last much longer. If you want to buy some cheap but a really good machine, I don't want to sell it to you, but I drill something about 250 holes in some I-beams and it really went really easy. One big problem with this, it doesn't have any possibility to change the speed of the drill. It's always, I guess, 850, which is a bit too much for large drills, like the 27mm was the largest that came with it. There is one possibility, it cost about, I don't know, 9 euros. I'm not an electrician, so I don't know if it's correct possibility, but you can buy this from like Amazon or somewhere else, whatever. So you will get the regulation within, I don't know, 10 bucks. So as they say, the magnet itself can hold 12,050 newtons. So if you can imagine that this magnet will be used for transport some kind of metal sheet or something like that, it's in the best conditions about 4 to 5 tons of lifting force, which is insane for something small like this. One thing I really enjoy is when the handle was in a way, I just unscrewed it, and then after I drill some holes and I know that I won't be doing something like that again, I screw it back in. For me it was really much easier than trying to get some weird spot when I can drill the hole, but maybe the drill, not the drill, I guess the magnet was not on a full length of the steel. About the coolant, I don't know if you can see it from here because I didn't make some more details, but for classic drill into this machine, it's some pin inside of the drill. You have to get the pin inside before you will attach the drill itself. And when you push it against the workpiece, the pin will rise up. And in that moment, the coolant can freely move down on the material or on the drill. So it's getting there from inside to keep the drill clean and mostly cold. That's main reason for it. When I was drilling with it, about 200 of those holes were drilled with the same drill bit, or this is something like coring drill, so it can really last long. But then I needed to drill some holes from a different position, so I couldn't use the coolant. And I did about 8 holes and the drill was like burned up. I used some coolant, but not as much as I should. I also tried to use it on already painted I-beam and it held really good. I was surprised because I thought I will need to use the strap, And also about the strap, this is some cheap basic one. It will help, but it's not so good for me. I more likely would use some ratchet strap, like when you are trying to tie something down to your car or to your truck. And just the last thing I want to say about this machine, you can really use it for long drilling, because you can move the whole motor with the head about, I don't know, 10 centimeters, something about 100 millimeters, and then you have the handle motion that will give you another 100. So I guess in their specifics there was something about 220. It's possible. I'm just guessing from what I remember. And because this machine or tool was working really well for me, I bought another tool from Vevor. I don't know if this will be the same case. When I was buying the first one, I really go through some reviews and try to find some mistakes there are inside of these tools, but I can't really find any, so I said to myself, well, why not? I will try it. We will see. So I bought this portable or stand bento, which is looking really good. I really don't like those plastic covers. It's easy, cheap, but I don't know if it's the best solution. Maybe the cover itself is not the big deal, but there should be something to sweep out all of the dust, because I will be using this mainly for some cast iron, which can sometimes be used as grinding paste, I guess. Because when you mix it with coolant, it will just do a big mess, and the dust is almost everywhere. It will grind into the practically every machine surface. So I'm a bit scared about the bearings inside of this saw, and I guess if I will use it for bigger pieces, the coolant should be there. As you can see, it's cutting for itself really nice. It's not a big deal, but we will see by time. Right now I use it like 10 times. I cut those billets of it, and now I will be turning them on a lathe, so we will see how much I can cut of this stuff before I screw something up. Something about the blade, it's a standard. You can see it right here because I just forgot the code. And one more thing, I will be for sure making some better stand for it, because right now when I drop this, I don't know, I guess it's in 1 meter length, it will tip over the whole blade. So if I put it on a side of this table, it will just tip over. But I guess there should be a much heavier and beefy stand. I don't know if you saw it or not. You can turn a light on and off, and also it has some speed control system. Like the 6 is the most RPM possible, and you can slow it down. But for the price, it was, I don't know, something like 210 euros. It's really good. Again, in my country, the price is starting about 625 euros, which is I don't know, 3 times or 2.5 times more than this, and the quality, I guess it would be same. Also, here is the opportunity to remove it from the stand and use it as a portable bento, but I didn't have any opportunity to use it that way, so I'm looking forward. This is it. I guess it's enough for this video. I just wanted to share it with you. And when I destroy the blade, or when I destroy the whole bento, I will make another video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like it, leave a like or subscribe or comment. Thank you very much. Bye.